Hi there, and welcome to Lalo's how-to video on the assembly of the tower. Let's get ready to build your tower. Let's take a moment to get acquainted with all of the parts. In your manual, you will see each part called out by name and number. Every part has a corresponding number sticker to make sure you can tell them all apart. There are a few parts that actually look similar, so pay special attention. For example, the right and left leg frames, as well as the front and back horizontal supports. Feel free to pause here and make sure you know which piece is which before getting started. We recommend unpacking everything and laying it out on the floor so you don't make a mistake. We expect the assembly to take about 15 to 20 minutes. And now that you have everything you need, let's get to it. Step 1, attach the platform. You're going to need the left leg frame, the platform, 2 short bolts, and the Allen key. To ensure that you have the left leg frame, look for the sticker with the number 1 on it. First, lay the left leg frame on the floor. And at this point, you're going to choose if you want it in the top position or the bottom position. We recommend the top position for younger or shorter toddlers and the bottom position for taller or older toddlers. To make sure the platform is in the right position, the sticker with our company information should be on the left-hand side. Align the holes in the bracket with the position you choose in the leg frame, and using the 2 short bolts, secure each side with the Allen key. Be sure not to over-tighten. Step 2, attach the step. You'll need the step and 2 short bolts, and of course the Allen key. To ensure this piece is oriented correctly, confirm that the step extends out past the leg frame. Attach the step by aligning the holes in the brackets with the holes on the inside of the leg frame. Using 2 short bolts, secure with the Allen key. Be careful again not to over-tighten. Step 3, attach the horizontal supports. You'll need the front and back horizontal supports, 4 wooden dowels, 2 long bolts, and your Allen key. Place the dowels into the top holes of each horizontal support and get them in as far as you can. Turn the tower on its side and align the dowels with the top holes on the inside of the front and back leg frame. The horizontal support labeled with a number 6 should be positioned below the step, and the horizontal support labeled with the number 7 should be positioned below the platform. Using a long bolt, attach each horizontal support to the leg frame with your Allen key. Step 4, bring the 2 sides together. You'll need the right leg frame, the one labeled with the number 2, 2 long bolts, and 4 short bolts. Grab the other leg frame and proceed to attach the horizontal supports, platform, and step to the frame, exactly the same way you did in the last step. Step 5, attach the top rail. You're almost done. You'll just need the top rail, 4 short bolts, and the Allen key. Slide the top rail onto the top of the leg frame, ensuring the cutouts are aligned properly with the grooves at the top of the leg frames. Using your 4 short bolts, secure the top rail with the Allen key. Be careful not to over-tighten. Once you feel that's secured, we recommend going around to each of the bolts that you inserted and giving them an extra turn to make sure they're tight. Great job, you did it. It's time for your little one to use their tower. If you chose to put the platform in the top position, once your not so little one is tall enough, you can easily adjust the height of the platform. To do this, loosen the bolts on the horizontal supports and step, then remove the bolts from the platform and shimmy down the platform so that the bracket openings hover over the holes in the lower position. Finally, re-secure all the bolts and you've done it. You're now in the second position. Now you're ready for more fun at the counter. You can even have them help with the dishes.